What's up? I booked 39 calls in the last 10 business days. By call, I mean net new meeting, the meeting that with the prospect I never met them before, just a good normal discovery. Now, why you click on this meeting? Why do you click on this video? Probably you want to learn how did I book them, why did I book them. So I want to break this down for you in this video. If you've been following the Web3 Sales Gym channel, you know that I'm a big guy in the prospecting. I like to think about creative ways how we can generate pipeline, where we can find right customers for the solutions that we're selling. So I want to give you a few ideas of what I did, how I got myself to 39 meetings in 10 days, in 2 weeks essentially. I think it's one of the best 2 weeks that I had for prospecting in a long, long time. So first of all, if you're asking yourself why, prospecting pipeline, I believe that it's a solution to most of the problems that you have in sales. So whatever you need to fix, your quota, your closing rate, your like anything that you have in sales, you don't know how to write good openers, you don't know this, you don't know that. Just by doing more of that, you will have a better chance of succeeding and getting to what you need. Then the next question is going to be what did I actually do to book those 39 meetings? And I can tell that it was always a mix of different things. So a part of me always wants to think that, okay, let's just launch the sequence and then it's gonna magically book me some meetings, but rarely it works like that one. You cannot hope that, like, if you're using tools like Enrich or anything like else that allows you to automate pipeline, be more effective, this does not cancel that you still have to go, you have to work, you have to dig into what your customers need, what do they want to hear about, to find different CTAs, to find things that will make them click, to make them want to meet you. It's important, like, using software is not going to help you to resolve magically all of your problems. So whenever I'm doing the prospecting, I typically launch automated sequences on Telegram. Crazy reply rates, like 50-60% reply rate with 20% people that are booking. It's impossible to do it in web 2 with the general Gmail. If you don't use automated sequences right now, you're probably missing out. You're probably missing out on a lot of pipeline. And it's fine in some cases because some business offers are not very scalable. But if your business is scalable or you want more clients, definitely give me a ping and we can talk about how you can launch automated sequences. But as I told you, it's not a magic solution. Launching automated sequences does not guarantee you anything. In fact, most of my pipeline still came from different sources, from doing outreach with the community, from pinging people that I already knew, nurturing them, for going through the closed loss, from talking with the people that I didn't know, but we met with them a couple of years ago, and now is the time to reach out because they, for example, raised the funding or they hired new salespeople. Finding those small triggers to make it relevant for the person that you're reaching out, I found it very helpful in the last month. That allowed me to book that kind of pipeline. And now the last thing is results. So as I told you, one of the best weeks. I hope that March is also going to be very good because this allowed me to start a very good month in terms of pipeline for March, and in terms of closing of February, I think it's my second best month in the whole career. And the CTA, go through the prospecting playlist that I have on the Web3 Sales Gym. I'm going to leave the link in the description. Go through it, study it, copy it, repeat it, get the similar results. Everything that I did, I already told you about them. I just apply things that I already know. There's no secret things. Go have some fun, book some pipeline. If you're first time on Web3 Sales Gym, or you're not subscribed yet, or you're not a member of our Telegram community, all the links that you need to know are going to be in the description, as well as my Telegram details. If you want to message me or talk about something, I'm going to be with you. See ya. Bye bye.